Yeah, what's up everyone? So in today's video we're going to be super clear. So after getting a message from one of our students concerning how to set up an Electrum wallet, so I was thinking, why not I create a kind of video whereby I show everyone how they also can create their own Electrum wallet. So before we go forward, what is an Electrum wallet? So Electrum Wallet is a Bitcoin only wallet that integrates the on-chain futures, which is the normal Bitcoin chain for transaction. So this wallet was selected when we went through the chapter 7 on how to use Bitcoin. So we went to a link to show us how to choose a Bitcoin wallet, and we fell into Electrum, and we did a little practical video. Now we can open Electrum wallet. So but now this is a more detailed video to show you how you can create an Electrum wallet, and if you love to know how, so do well to watch till the end of this video. So remember also to subscribe, like and share so the knowledge can be circulated around. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we're back. So in creating an Electrum wallet, the first thing you do is to head on to Google Play Store. Then you search for Electrum Wallet. So searching for Electrum Wallet, you will see the Electrum Bitcoin Wallet showing up. So what you do is you install the Electrum Bitcoin Wallet and wait for it to install. So just wait for it, be patient enough it to install if you haven't gotten your Electrum Wallet yet. But if you've gotten your Electrum Wallet, you can just open your Electrum Bitcoin Wallet. As when it's done installing, or if you have the app already in your phone, you can just open the Wallet app. One has finished installing, so I'm opening my own, and you'll see something like this. Okay, so let's see what else it does for us. Okay, so you also see the advanced network settings, and which you click it, you'll see the configure proxy and the select server. So once you click all this button, you have to select it yourself. But to make it more easier, just go to the advanced network setting and go to next. So now at this point you can create a name for your wallet, like I'm using test wallet, and then you see some features that allows you, like you can see this, what kind of wallet you want to create. So you can go for the standard wallet, or you can go for wallet with two-factor authentication if you want more security. You can go for the multi-sig. You can go to import your Bitcoin address if you already have your Bitcoin address. So for this video tutorial, we're going to the standard wallet. So when you click the standard wallet, you're going to see something amazing. So let us see what it's all about. Okay, so now do you want to create a new seed, restore using an existing seed, or restore from master key? So at this point now, since you created a new Bitcoin wallet, you need to create a new seed. But if you've already had your Bitcoin seed phrase before, you can just go to restore seed. So now when you click restore and create new seed, some different random words will be given to you, and these random words are your seed phrase. So the more you do well to secure your seed phrase, to keep it very secured, the more better for you. But if you don't keep your seed phrase very well and it falls in the hands of another scammer or hacker, they can directly take all your Bitcoin. So seed phrase is very, very important. They are more like your private key, and you need to keep them very well. So the best way to do it, once you've selected create a new seed phrase, these random phrases will be given to you, and the best thing to do is for you to store it in a safe place. So for this short video, we are going to store it using our piece of paper and a biro and a pen. So if you have a pen and a piece of paper, you can just write down these random words down, which are your seed phrase. Okay, if you are enjoying this tutorial, do well to like, subscribe and share to your community, and share to anyone that you feel that will find this video useful and very, very interesting. So now when you've inserted your seed phrase back to the option that gives you to insert your seed phrase back. So so now when you are done writing your seed phrase, you can click next, and when you click next, you'll see an option to to rewrite your seed phrase back. So in this page, you need to carefully write all your seed phrase accordingly. A little mistake or a slight mistake can be a big hindrance to you going forward to obtaining your Bitcoin wallet. So do want to carefully write them down, and so when you're done writing them down and you've passed the stage, you'll be taken to a place where you need to enter your password for your wallet. So as you can see, I'm entering my own password. You also can enter your password, but make sure your password should be strong. Remember, we created a wallet without two-factor authentication, so you need to ensure that you have a stronger password than one can easily guess. So now when you are done selecting your password, you are already in your wallet, and you'll be given options to send or receive payment. And remember, the Bitcoin on-chain network takes about 10 minutes for your transaction to be processed. But the Lightning integration makes it, which is the off-chain integration, makes it very, very fast, and it takes like about a second or less. It's 3 seconds or less. So depending on the network and the transaction, you understand. But all I have to say for you is that this is how you can create your Electrum Bitcoin wallet. And mind you, this is a Bitcoin only wallet. You're not going to see any other asset or crypto, like I'm not mentioning them, but it is just for Bitcoin. And thank you. Make sure you also like and subscribe, and tell me if you want more videos like this, and tell me the kind of wallet tutorials I should do next in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till our next video. Ciao.